Hi everyone! Today I will be showing my research poster. We will be looking at meal frequency and also how it is associated with the changes in the body mass index, or BMI. So in nutrition, the quality of the macronutrients that we consume is as important as the times that we eat and ingest these macronutrients. Consuming too much energy can ultimately lead to obesity and other chronic illnesses. Unfortunately, obesity is an increasingly common cause of death in the Western countries. Snacking, or eating more frequently, is a strategy for weight loss. However, it is not as backed up by scientific evidence. In a case with laboratory animals, reducing the meal frequency prevented obesity. However, both the mice who had time-restricted feeding and the mice who were able to eat whenever they chose ended up consuming the same amount of calories. The studies done on humans have been limited, and the Dietary Guideline Advisory Committee of 2010 states that the scientific evidence is needed in this area. As previously stated, we will be talking about the relationship between meal frequency, the timing of the meals, and ultimately the changes in BMI throughout the participants of this experiment. The hypothesis is that an increase of the meal frequency with a shorter overnight fast will ultimately increase the participants' BMI. And also, skipping breakfast and consuming the most calories at the last meal of the day would increase the BMI. So prior to this experiment, participants were asked about their medical history, dietary habits, physical activity, their demographic information, prior hospitalizations, and other major health events, including their lifestyle factors. The age group of these participants range from 30 years old to 90 years old. They also had BMIs ranging from 14 to 60 kilograms per meter squared. So as results, in figures A through D, we see the relationships between the meals or snacks eaten and the change in BMI, and also the relationship between the length of a night fast and the change of BMI, and also whether the participant ate breakfast and how that affected the change of BMI, and the time of the largest meal and the change of BMI. Concluding with the results, in Figure E, we look at the different age groups and how that can play a factor in the change of BMI. So throughout the research, we can see that healthy adults who eat less frequently, with no snacking and the consumption of breakfast, who also eat their largest meal of the day in the morning, will have the most change in body mass index.